What's going on, you guys? Today is gonna be kind of an unboxing. I just got these in today. I was not expecting all of this stuff to come at the same time, but basically this is only 3 items in boxes that are huge. So I'm gonna get these opened up and show you what I got. So this first one should have gotten here probably tomorrow, but I got here today. Holy shit. So, this is the new X Plus, the diamond reissue of Godzilla 2003. Wow, this is a sweet box. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's get this opened up. Let's see, how exactly does this open? This is the real question. I don't know, I'm just gonna cut all the tape and see what happens. Wow. So there, that is sweet. Okay, so there's that. This thing is absolutely wild, which is why it took me forever to get out, because I was kind of in shock and being extra careful for no apparent reason. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. I'm not gonna get the drill arm out just yet. I'll probably save that for a review. I don't want to lose that or anything right now. So in this one, I finally got my hands on the giant-ass Jakks Pacific Godzilla, and also the Monster Arts Godzilla 54, which, holy shit, this is sweet as hell. So I'm gonna end it right here. Probably be doing some reviews tomorrow, definitely of the X Plus 30 centimeter Godzilla, and this. Probably not that, unless someone actually wants to hear my opinions on it. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my surprising unboxing video, because I'm probably more surprised than you guys are. But hopefully you enjoyed this, and if you did, please feel free to like, comment what you think, subscribe if you haven't. That'd be fantastic. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.